Hi everybody. If your school is part of an early adopter program, you may have noticed that on your Google Drive you have a new function called Team Drives. Team Drives are pretty cool. What they do is they function as a normal Google Drive, except they have a collaborative component. That component allows someone to add files or folders to the Team Drive, which then becomes collectively owned. That means everybody who belongs to the drive has ownership rights. That's pretty good because that way if somebody leaves the district, all the files still remain in that drive for everybody else to use. Let me show you how it works. If you notice, I already have 2 team drives set up. You can belong to many team drives at the same time depending on how many organizations you belong to. To create a new one, we're going to click the blue New Team Drive button. I'm going to give this one a test name because I'm not going to keep it forever, and just go ahead and create it. Now, as you can see, it automatically puts me into this drive. What's different from this type of drive than your normal Google Drive is, well, for starters, you've got some artwork up here. This can be changed by going to Change Theme, and you'll get to a theme gallery very similar to what you might see in Forms or Classroom or even Google Sites. I'm going to go ahead and keep with this theme, and it'll update it automatically. Now, right now my team drive is empty. We're going to add files, but first let's get some other people in here. Go ahead and click on the Add Member button, and you'll be able to add whoever you would like to the drive. Add a message if you would like, and then go ahead and hit Send. Now, let's suppose that I don't want all members to have the same editing rights. We can do this by going back to the Add Member button and clicking Manage Members. Now, the student member of this group, I don't want them to have full access because I don't want them to edit and delete files that we might find important. So instead, I'm going to click on the Full Access pull-down menu and move them to View Access Only. This will make sure that this student can only see what's in the drive and view it. They can't make any other changes. When you're ready, just hit Done. Adding files and folders to your team drive works the same way as adding it to your regular drive. We'll head over to the New button and click it. If you notice, you have all the same options, with a limited number of Google apps that you can use. As an example, you can't make a Google site in your team drive. To create any type of file, just click on the type you would like, and it'll pop up as normal. I'm going to go ahead and rename it. And then one of the few differences you'll notice is in the Share menu. Now, this is shared with the normal access levels you've set for anybody in your team drive. However, you still can add other people if you would like, and give them various editing rights. When you're ready, just hit Send. Now, this file will stay in your team drive even if you personally leave this district or this team drive itself. I'm going to go ahead and close this out and show you how we set up a folder. It's pretty much the same way. And again, you can move files into folders simply by dragging and dropping. Now, if you have files and folders you would like to migrate from your regular Google Drive to a team drive, there's a little bit of a hang-up there. At the moment, you cannot drag and drop entire folders, so you have to move files individually. To do that, go into your drive, select what you would like to transfer, and simply drag and drop it. It will move it, and then you can see it in your drive. So that's team drives in a nutshell. I'm sure more functionality will be added as we get close to a full release date. However, I would like to point out that this drive is going to be great for groups such as committees or teams, clubs, even departments if you would like to have shared files with your department members. If you have any questions on how you can use team drives to your advantage, please don't be afraid to let me know. I'll be happy to sit down with you and show you the ropes. Thanks for watching.